Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about a very important topic that is called as hyperthyroidism. It comes in medical surgical nursing. So this is the location of the thyroid gland. It is a butterfly shaped organ. So we'll see what is the thyroid gland. So the thyroid gland is a butterfly shaped endocrine gland that is normally located in the lower front of the neck. The thyroid job is to make thyroid hormones which are secreted into the blood and then carried to every tissue in the body. Then thyroid hormones help the body to use energy, stay warm and keep the brain, heart, muscles and other organs working as they should. Then we'll see the introduction, that is hyperthyroidism and thyrotoxicosis are used interchangeably. However, each refers to slightly different conditions. तो क्या है हाइपरथायरॉयडिज्म और थायरोटॉक्सिकोसिस? हमेशा यूज़ किए जाते हैं लेकिन दोनों भी अलग है और उसके कंडीशंस भी अलग है. Then hyperthyroidism refers to overactivity of the thyroid gland with resultant excessive secretion of thyroid hormones and accelerated metabolism in the periphery. Then thyrotoxicosis क्या होता है? Refers to the clinical effects of an unbound thyroid hormone regardless of whether or not the thyroid is primary source. There are a number of pathologic causes of hyperthyroidism in children and adults. Then these include Graves' disease, toxic adenoma, toxic multinodular goiter, and thyroiditis. Graves' disease accounts for approximately 95% of cases of hyperthyroidism. To understand the pathophysiology of hyperthyroidism, it is necessary to understand the normal physiology of the thyroid gland. Then see, there's a picture of a healthy thyroid and a picture of a hyperthyroidism. So in case of hyperthyroidism, the symptoms which we can see is bulging of the eyes and goiter. We'll see the enlargement of the neck. Then we'll see the definition. What is the definition of hyperthyroidism? Is due to increased level of thyroid hormone. तो क्या होता है? Increased level of thyroid hormone हो जाता है hyperthyroidism में. बस इतना आपको याद रखना है. Then क्या होता है? Diffuse toxic goiter. डिफ्यूज टॉक्सिक गोइटर को हम ग्रेव्स डिजीज़ भी बोलेंगे और टॉक्सिक मल्टीनोडुलर गोइटर को हम प्लमर्स डिजीज़ भी बोलेंगे, जो है टॉक्सिक एडिमा. Then the next definition, hypothyroidism is hyperactivity of the thyroid gland with sustained increase in synthesis and release of hormones. Then इसका etiology देखेंगे, what are the causes, that is ectopic thyroid disease, then Graves disease, then multinodular disease, thyroid adenoma, subacute thyroiditis, ingestion of thyroid hormone, pituitary disease, ingestion of food containing thyroid hormone, high dietary intake or very low dietary intake, then genetic factors. Then we'll see the pathophysiology of the disease, that is hypothyroidism characterized by loss नॉर्मल रेगुलेटरी कंट्रोल ऑफ द थायराइड हार्मोन सिक्रीशन. तो क्या होता है कि नॉर्मल थायराइड हार्मोन सिक्रीशन जो होता है उसका रेगुलेशन कंट्रोल लॉस हो जाता है और वो अबनॉर्मली ग्रो होने लगता है. देन क्या होता है? द एक्शन ऑफ थायराइड हार्मोन ऑन द बॉडी स्टिमुलेटरी हाइपर मेटाबॉलिज्म रिजल्ट्स. तो क्या होता है? हाइपर मेटाबॉलिज्म होता है उसकी वजह से. फिर क्या होता है? इंक्रीज सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम activity. Then alteration, secretion and metabolism of hypothalamic pituitary or gonadal hormone. Then what happens? Excessive amount of thyroid hormone stimulate हो जाता है कहाँ? Cardiac system and increase the adrenergic receptors. Then उसकी वजह से क्या होता है? Adrenergic receptors अगर increase हो गए तो tachycardia होगा and increase cardiac output, which results to stroke volume and peripheral blood flow. Then क्या होगा? Negative nitrogenous balance, lipid depletion and resultant state of nutrition deficiency, which leads to hyperthyroidism. Then we'll see the clinical manifestation, that is symptoms and the severity depend on the duration and extent of thyroid hormone excess and age of the individual. Individual में experience क्या क्या experience करेंगे individuals, that is nervousness and irritability, then palpitations and tachycardia, then heat intolerance or increased sweating, then tremor, then weight loss or gain, then increase in appetite, frequent bowel movements or diarrhea, then lower leg swelling, sudden paralysis, shortness of breath with exhaustion, decreased menstrual flow, impaired fertility and sleep disturbances. Then the picture is showing the symptoms of hyperthyroidism, that is bulging of the eyes, increased palpitations, hunger बढ़ेगा, mood swings होंगे, goiter that is abnormal growth of the neck you can see, then normal thyroid, enlarged thyroid वहाँ पर pictures दिखाए, then weight loss होगा, swelling होगा feet में, hands tremors, breathing problem होगा और hair loss. Then changes in vision, vision में changes होंगे, क्या होंगे changes, photophobia होगा and light sensitivity होगी. Then eye irritation and excess tears, then diplopia, double vision दिखेगा. Then exophthalmos or forward protrusion of the eyeball as shown in the picture. Then fatigue and muscle weakness, thyroid enlargement, pre-tibial myxedema. Then see in this picture you can see hair is dry, coarse and sparse. Then later eyebrows thin. Periorbital edema you can see around the eyes. Puffy dull face with dry skin. देन इन्वेस्टिगेशन देखेंगे हम, क्या है इन्वेस्टिगेशन, हिस्ट्री एंड फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन करेंगे पेशेंट का, देन ऑप्थेल्मिक एग्जामिनेशन करेंगे, देन विल सी द ईसीजी फॉर एट्रियल टैकीकार्डिया, देन थायराइड फंक्शन टेस्ट करेंगे T3 एंड T4, थायराइड रिलीजिंग हार्मोन स्टिमुलेशन टेस्ट करेंगे, देन रेडियो एक्टिव आयोडीन अपटेक एंड थायराइड स्कैन. Then we'll see the treatment. The first treatment is radioactive iodine, so taken by mouth. So what is done in this procedure is that radioactive iodine is absorbed by your thyroid gland, where it causes the gland to shrink and symptoms to subside usually within 3 to 6 months. तो क्या होता है इसमें पेशेंट रेडियोएक्टिव आयोडीन खाएगा और वो थायराइड ग्लैंड में जाके ऑब्जर्व होगा, जिसकी वजह से थोड़े दिन के लिए सिम्टम्स सबसाइड हो जाएंगे. फिर इसका यूज़ देखेंगे यूजिंग रेडियोएक्टिव लिक्विड थेरेपी टू ट्रीट थायराइड कैंसर. तो क्या है, फर्स्ट रेडियोएक्टिव आयोडीन इज इंजेस्टेड इन a drink or capsule. Then radioactive iodine molecules are absorbed through the walls of the digestive tract into the bloodstream. Then thyroid gland needs iodine to work and absorbs most of the radioactive iodine. Then last is radiation destroys cancerous and normal thyroid cells. Then second treatment we'll see, that is antithyroid medication. These medications gradually reduce symptom of hypothyroidism by preventing your thyroid gland from producing excess amount of hormones. तो क्या करते हैं ये मेडिकेशंस एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ थायराइड हार्मोन्स रिलीज करने को स्टॉप कर देंगे. देन दे इंक्लूड प्रोपाइलथायोरासिल एंड मेथिमाजोल, दैट इज टेपाजोल. इनका होगा सिम्टम्स यूजुअली बिगिन टू इम्प्रूव इन 6 to 12 weeks, और ट्रीटमेंट विद एंटीथायराइड मेडिकेशन टिपिकली कंटिन्यूज एटलीस्ट अ ईयर और often longer. Then हम third treatment देखेंगे, that is beta blockers. These drugs are commonly used to treat high blood pressure. They won't reduce your thyroid level, but they can reduce the rapid heart rate and prevent palpitations. And side effects may include fatigue, headache, upset stomach, constipation, diarrhea or dizziness. Then we'll see what is the surgical management of the hyperthyroidosis. That is surgical treatment of thyroid disease. General severe surgical options exist for treating thyroid disease, and the choice of procedure depends on the two main factors. So कौन से two main factors? First is type and extent of the thyroid disease present, then the second is the anatomy of the thyroid gland itself. The most commonly performed procedures include lobectomy with isthemectomy, subtotal thyroidectomy and total thyroidectomy. तो क्या है thyroid lobectomy, क्या होता है कि one lobe of the thyroid gland they will रिमूव. देन सब टोटल क्या होगा कि एक लोब का आधा हिस्सा, दैट इज सब टोटल थायरॉइडेक्टोमी. देन टोटल थायरॉइडेक्टोमी पूरा का पूरा थायरॉइड ग्लैंड निकाल देंगे. देन क्या है मेथड्स टेक्निक्स ऑफ थायरॉइड कैंसर सर्जरी, क्या है, फर्स्ट इज थायरॉइड लोबेक्टोमी. तो लोबेक्टोमी जनरली परफॉर्म व्हेन ट्यूमर इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू वन लोब ऑफ द थायरॉइड ग्लैंड एंड हैज नॉट येट स्टार्टेड इन्वेडिंग द अदर ऑर्गन्स एंड लिम्फ नोड. देन सब टोटल में क्या होगा, वन लोब का हाफ हिस्सा. देन total में as we have discussed earlier. Then the last point is the nursing management, that is imbalanced nutrition, less than body requirement related to anorexia and increased metabolic demand in inappropriate. The interventions will be high calorie diet, that is 4000 to 5000 kilocalorie per day. Then high protein diet, 1 to 2 gram per kg of the ideal body weight, and frequent meals. Then second will be activity intolerance related to exhaustion secondary to accelerated metabolic rate resulting in inability to perform activity without shortness of breath and significant increase in heart rate. Then interventions will be assist with regular physical activity, assist in activities of daily living, and assist the patient to schedule rest period. then continual, that is risk for injury होगा, then hypothermia हो सकता है, then impaired social interaction. So this was all for today about hypothyroidism. The next topic will be coming soon. Till then, you keep watching and keep learning about the topics that I put on my channel, and thank you.